Hey folks, how's it going? So what happens when you buy an expensive fork for your new bike build? Well, in my case, I kind of run out of money for an expensive set of wheels, so I ended up buying this SUNRingle Duroc 35. Let's check them out. On the side of the box, you see the exact nomenclature, Duroc 35 Comp, 27.5 set of wheels built for all mountain or aggressive trail riding, and these are boosted 110 front, 148 rear. The wheel set also comes with everything you need to get them started. You see the wheels already taped, and in this little box you have 2 bottles of sealant. I should have valves somewhere. They also come with both XD driver and Shimano Spline Freehubs, part of the kit. Here's the front and the rear. Ta-da! And I think I got shafted because this says 2 valves and 2 sealant kits. I found the sealant. I don't think that the valves are in there. By the way, this is Stance sealant. They're gonna give you the 2 ounce or 60 milliliter bottles that are probably not gonna be enough depending on the tire that you're installing. In that tiny leaflet, you have instructions on how to do this tubeless. And here you can see that Hayes Companies has Manitou, Pro Taper, and a few other companies under its umbrella. The hubs will take the IS-6 bolt rotors, and you see the rear hub coming with the Shimano Spline hub. Freehubs for the SRC and SRX hubs are the same. They do have a Micro Spline version that's not included here. And if you look carefully at my hubs, these are the SRC 148, which I think are the cheaper version of the two. Both freehub bodies provided are made out of chromoly steel, and they seem to be the 3-pause version. It really reminds me of the Novatec. Are they loud? I would say no more than something like a Novatec. And that is on 30 points of engagement, which gives you 12 degrees. Hubs are 32 holes, straight gauge spokes, and they seem to have brass nipples. And you can see the branding here on the side, which is this glossy gray or silver that actually looks pretty nice. On the rim you have a bit more information. I assume that's a serial number. This is STR SUNRingle tubeless ready. And on the opposite side of that you have a bit more information. You see the ERD of this RAM. This is made out of alloy, and even though they're called Duroc 35, these are 31mm ID rims, so 31mm inside. Weight of the rear wheel, it's 1149 grams, and the front wheel is 970 grams, so 2120 for the wheel set, 27.5, which is not light by any means, but hey, it was cheap. So if you're lucky, this might come with everything you need to get the tires installed. They're pretty heavy for what they are, but they do come with 2 freehub bodies, and you do find the Shimano Micro Spline for them as well. What do you guys think about a wheel set like this? Have you ever used SUNRingle wheels? I would love to hear your opinions. If you have any questions about this, let me know below. If you know where the valves are hidden, let me know as well. Otherwise, hope you guys found this useful. And until next time, I will see you folks on the trails. Cheers, guys. Cheers.